7 shocking egg mistakes you make every day. I was shocked when I learned about this. I cracked eggs wrong my entire life until a chef friend watched me cook breakfast last summer. She stopped me immediately, explained 7 critical mistakes I made daily, and showed me the correct methods. Within 2 weeks, my eggs tasted better, my digestion improved, and I stopped wasting money on ruined batches. The frustration built slowly over years. Eggs stuck to pans despite using non-stick spray, yolks broke constantly, and scrambled eggs turned rubbery every single time. I thought I just couldn't cook eggs properly until learning these weren't cooking failures but actual nutrition and safety mistakes. Storing eggs in the door killed their freshness faster than anything. The constant temperature changes from opening and closing your fridge door age eggs rapidly. According to food science research from the USDA, eggs stored in the main fridge section last 3 to 5 weeks, while door-stored eggs spoil within 2 weeks. I moved mine to the back shelf and noticed they stayed fresh noticeably longer. Washing eggs before storage was my biggest mistake. The natural protective coating, called the bloom or cuticle, keeps bacteria out and moisture in. The Centers for Disease Control confirms washing removes this barrier, letting bacteria penetrate through the porous shell. I stopped rinsing eggs until right before cooking. Cracking eggs directly into the pan risked disaster constantly. One bad egg ruins the entire batch plus your pan. The proper method involves cracking each egg into a small bowl first, checking for freshness and shell fragments. This simple step saved me from throwing out whole omelets multiple times. Cooking eggs on high heat destroyed their nutrition and created that rubbery texture I hated. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows high heat oxidizes cholesterol and damages delicate proteins. Medium-low heat preserves nutrients and creates creamy, tender eggs. My scrambled eggs transformed completely just by lowering the temperature. Adding milk to scrambled eggs was the mistake that shocked me most. Contrary to popular belief, milk makes eggs watery and tough. The proteins in eggs and milk compete during cooking, creating a strange texture. Professional chefs use only eggs, butter, and salt. I tried this method and immediately tasted the difference, creamy and rich without any liquid separation. Overcooking eggs happens to everyone but causes real problems. The green ring around hard-boiled yolks signals iron and sulfur compounds reacting from excessive heat. This not only tastes unpleasant but reduces nutrient bioavailability, according to food chemistry studies. I started removing eggs from heat slightly before done, letting carryover heat finish cooking them perfectly. Seasoning eggs too early was sabotaging my texture. Salt draws moisture out of eggs, making them watery when added before cooking. The Culinary Institute research confirms salting eggs right before serving maintains the best texture and flavor. I now salt only after plating, and my eggs stay fluffy instead of weeping liquid. Here's what changed everything for me practically. I bought a small bowl specifically for cracking eggs, rearranged my fridge to keep eggs in the coldest spot, and adjusted my stove heat lower than instinct suggested. These simple changes required 0 extra time but delivered dramatically better results. The timing adjustment took practice honestly. Removing eggs from heat while still slightly underdone felt wrong initially, but watching them finish cooking perfectly off heat proved the method works. Scrambled eggs need removing when still glossy and soft. They firm up in seconds after plating. Temperature control matters more than I realized. I bought an inexpensive infrared thermometer to check pan temperature. Keeping pans between 250 and 275 degrees Fahrenheit creates ideal egg cooking conditions. Too hot and protein seize up instantly, too cool and eggs turn gracy. Freshness testing saved me from using bad eggs multiple times. Floating an egg in water shows its age instantly. Fresh eggs sink flat while old eggs float due to air cell expansion. This quick test prevented several potential food poisoning incidents. Some people need extra caution with egg handling. Pregnant women, young children, elderly people, and immunocompromised individuals face higher risks from improperly handled eggs. Always cook eggs until both white and yolk are firm for these groups. Cross-contamination scared me after learning proper food safety. I designated one cutting board exclusively for raw egg prep and never let raw egg touch surfaces where ready-to-eat food sits. This simple separation prevents bacterial spread effectively.